We want to expand 1 plus x to the power 4, simplifying all coefficients. And then we've got 6 minus x to the 4 in the second part as well. So the binomial coefficients from Pascal's triangle are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 for this line. So it's going to be 1 to the power 4 plus 4 times 1 cubed times x plus 4 times 1 squared times x squared. Oh, sorry, that's 6. 4, 6, 4, 1. Plus 4 times 1 times x cubed plus x to the power 4. So that's going to be 1 plus 4x plus 6x squared plus 4x cubed plus x to the 4. And now for this one, well, that's going to be 6 to the 4 plus 4 times 6 cubed times negative x plus 6 times 6 squared times negative x squared plus 4 times 6 times negative x cubed plus negative x to the 4. Okay, so I'm going to need to know 6 to the power 4. 6 to the power 4 is 1296. Then we've got 4 times 6 cubed is 864. This one will be a minus because of the minus x, so it's minus 864x. And then this one will be a plus because the minus is squared. And 6 times 6 squared, that's 6 cubed, so that's 216. Next one's a minus because the minus is cubed, and that's going to be 24x cubed, and then we've got plus x to the 4. Okay, so we've got 6 minus x to the 4, take away 1 plus x to the 4 equals 175. I want to make that into a cubic. Okay, so 6 minus x to the 4, so that's going to be 1296, take away 864x, plus 216x squared, take 24x cubed, plus x to the 4, take away 1, take away 4x, take away 6x squared, take away 4x cubed, take away x to the 4, and that's going to be equal to 175. Okay, so the x to the 4s are going to go. Now, as far as x cubed are concerned, so we've got negative 24 of them and negative 4, so that's negative 28 x cubed. And then let's look at the x squared. So I've got 216 take away 6, so that's going to be plus 210x squareds. If we look at the x's, we're going to have take away 868 x's. There and there, and then we've got plus 1295. And that's equal to 175. So we want to express that like this, equals 0. So we've got minus 28x cubed plus 210x squared minus 868x plus, so we've got 1295, take away 175, it's 1120. 0. It might be nice to have the x cubed term positive, so we'll just multiply through by negative 1 and change all those signs like so. So we now want to show that x equals 2 is the solution to that equation. So the equation was 28x cubed minus 210x squared plus 868x take 1120 equals 0. Show that x equals 2 is a solution. So 28 times 2 cubed, take 210 times 2 squared plus 868 times 2, take away 1120. Well, let's calculate it. So we've got 28 times 8, 224. Take away, that'll be 840. Plus 868 times 2. 1736. Take away 1120. And let's calculate that. So what have we got? 224. Take away 840. Add 1736. Take away 1120. And that is equal to 0. So therefore x equals 2 is a solution. Show it's got no other solution, no other real roots. So, well, if we've got x minus 2, then we'll get a quadratic here, and that must start 28x squared in order to get 28x cubed. And what's 1, so 1120 divided by 2 is 560. So this end must be plus 560 in order to get the minus 1120, and then we don't know what's in the middle. But we can compare coefficients, so we could compare x squared. So negative 210x squared would be equal to, what's going to give us an x squared here? So that would give us, so we've got negative 56x squared plus ax squared. So that would give us a is negative 210, add 56, which is negative 154. So the quadratic is 28x squared, take away 154x plus 560. And if we put that equal to 0, and then let's look at b squared minus 4ac. So that is negative 154 squared, take away 4 times 28 times 560, and that is going to be, so 154 squared, take away 4 times 28 times 560, which is negative 39004. So it seems quite big. Let's just check that. Okay. And negative implies no real roots. So the quadratic has no roots. So the only possible answer is the x minus 2 giving us x equals 2.